Are you guys ready for a giveaway? I think you are. Alright guys, well thank you for joining me tonight. If you haven't noticed, I've been putting up about every 3 or 4 days, I've been putting up one of my retro videos. What it is compilations from 2020, 2019 and 2020. When I started my RAW channel. It is a compilation of those videos. It's about 4 to 6 videos in each retro clip, and I've numbered them so that if you wanted to watch them, if you didn't get a chance to see them before, if you missed any, it'll give you the opportunity to do some catching up. As you saw in the title, this is going to be a cross-stitch giveaway. And the reason why I want to start out with this is because this is going to be for some Christmas patterns. I've got quite a few here, so I'm going to go through them as quickly as I possibly can. And then also with the patterns, I am going to include some fabric as well as some specialty threads, so that you can get started on some Christmas projects if you do cross stitch. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first one's going to be a how-to information on if you've never worked with hardanger before. This is how-to. It's a how-to pamphlet on how to work with hardanger. It gives you step-by-step instructions on where to cut, how to cinch up the fabric with thread, and where to cut. And the main reason why I'm giving this one away is because I have so much going on. I will never be able to get a chance to ever work with this. My life is just too busy and too hectic, as you already know. So you will be getting that. The next item you will be getting is, it's called a Tabletop Townscape. And these are some fantastic ideas, guys. And then, of course, inside is the complete pattern. It tells you exactly, let's see, this one is 125 stitches by 125 stitches. It's little blocks and little houses. Let's see if it gives me the specs. Oh, here we go. Okay, if you work on 14 count Aida, it is 8 7/8 by 8 7/8. If you work with the hardanger, it's going to be 5 5/8 by 5 5/8. This is from a Oxmoor House 1990 pattern. So you're going to get that. You're going to get Home Sweet Home. And it does have all the big letters on the inside. And then it gives you the dimensions for each letter so that you can make a banner out of it. You can stitch it on, say, paper. There's a cross-stitch paper that you can use. Perforated paper is what it's called, perforated paper. You could do it on 14 count canvas. You can cut it up. That's just some ideas what you might be able to do to work with it on that. And it does use DMC floss. It tells you the anchor numbers and the DMC numbers. So if you can't get DMC in your area and you have access to anchor, you can use that. But anyway, so you're going to get that. Now this is open worldwide. I'll let everybody know that. Because I can send this out in a mailer. The next one is called Berry Christmas. And it's just an idea of like a little bib that you could do for a bear. It's just one motif, but you can change up the colors. And so that's the motif. And I know we're not supposed to show patterns whenever we are showing cross-stitch projects, but I don't think you had it long enough to really make a difference, and it was probably blurry if you were to pause it anyway. So there you go. Again, these all came from, oh, this one's a 1989 Oxmoor House pattern. Christmas and cross stitch. That's what all these are, Christmas and cross stitch. So those of you who want to go ahead and get started with Christmas. Now you can do all kinds of stuff with this pattern. You can make a table runner. You can make ornaments. You don't have to do the bib. You can just do whatever you want to with the pattern. All right, the next one is called Beaded Ornaments. I wanted to put a variety in this packet so that you would have bigger options for Christmas. This is called Beaded Ornaments. When the weather outside is frightful, these ornaments are a perfect indoor project. Gather friends and family and make all 5 designs. So there are 5 designs. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Really cute little flower motifs. Again, 1989 Oxmoor House. And there's the patterns. Again, it has the anchor or the DMC you choose. And of course, you can change the colors up. You don't have to use their colors. You can change it up if you wanted to do like a different shades of blue motif for like a winter type. Just use your imagination when you're making these. I do that when I'm creating my cross stitch patterns. I change up the colors a little bit. The ones I create. This is one that I've actually done myself in the past. I did not do it from these pamphlets. I actually had a kit. It's called I Wish You a Merry Christmas. It's a Santa's Wish. Direct from the North Pole and just in the nick of time, Santa is here to greet all your guests with this cheerful holiday message. So I like that one. I did do that one. I think I gave it to my sister. One of my sisters for Christmas one year. Again, 1989 Oxmoor House, Christmas and cross stitch. And oh, maybe we did work on this one because I marked it. So I'm sorry, I marked it. Then this is where I got the pattern from. I did not mark the pattern itself. It's still good. I didn't mark inside at all. Just I think I highlighted those as I was getting the colors together. This one at 14 count is going to be 7 7/8 by 13 1/8. So it's not as big as you think it would be. So as you know, it'd be real easy to work with. So there you have it. What do you think? Oh, that went quicker than I thought it was going to go. I wasn't expecting that. Yeah, so our first giveaway for the month of October is going to be the cross stitch Christmas patterns. And what I want you to do is tell me which pattern you thought was your favorite. That's all you got to do. Just tell me which one you like the best out of all those. So we had the Heart Angle Work, we had the Tabletop Townscape, we had Home Sweet Home, Berry Christmas, Beaded Ornaments, Santa's Wish. So Santa's Wish is my favorite. I like that one the best out of all these. I think it's because I actually did that one. Yeah, like I said, and the Heart Angle Information. So again, that's going to come with some fabric. I will give you enough fabric to do at least 1 or 2 of the patterns so that you could have something to get started with. I think I will throw in some colors, maybe some green or some red. Don't know yet. It'll be a surprise. So anyway, so what you have to do to enter is you need to be a subscriber. This is open worldwide. I will do the drawing at the end, the first of the month, or the end of the month, the first of the month. And so yeah, and tell me which pattern was your favorite. And that's all you have to do. Oh, give this a thumbs up. And spread the word if you can. I would appreciate that. I'm losing people, but you know what? I think it's because I've changed up my channel a little bit, and that's okay. I'm content. You guys are still with me, which makes me happy, and that's what counts. That's what matters to me. So if you can't tell, I just got back from the beach. I've got a little bit of sun on my face. Matson and I had a wonderful time. Yeah, we really did. I wish we could have stayed a couple days longer, but I had to come back and go back to work. So I started back to work today. But anyway, so yeah, so good luck everybody, and I will see you in the next video. be watching for those retro videos. There's some really good information in there. Stuff about my life and also nutritional information. I'm actually in the middle of downloading another one right now. So it takes a while with my computer. So yeah, so good luck and be looking for the next giveaway. I have called, I think about 4 of them that are going to be going up this month. I've heard from, let's see, I've heard from 1, 2, 3 of the 6 people that won in the drawing the other day. I heard from Apple Pecan Sews, Tony Grandin, and Nancy Thomas. Nancy, I still need your address. And then I have not heard from 1, 2, 3 other people. So I'm not going to tell you who they are. Hopefully they'll see the winner's video. One of the people is a longtime watcher of mine. When I was mostly cross-stitch. So you know who you are. Anyway, if you see the video, go back and watch them. Those of you who haven't seen the winter videos, go watch them. 3 of you haven't contacted me yet. Anyway, alright, I'm going to go. I'm rambling now. I will talk to you guys. I'll talk to you guys next time. I appreciate it. Be looking for the next video. I may film it tonight. I don't know. It depends on how quick I can get this up there. But yeah, so thank you for watching. Have a great night. I've talked enough. Show this. So, I don't know if you can see. Ramsey's in there somewhere. Probably under the blanket. Now, I am behind my desk right now. These are my little boxes full of craft stuff that I've created. There's stuff I'm selling on Etsy. I mean, eBay. Okay, so on the back of the couch, there's Boo Boo Kitty. She kind of blends in and looks like part of the couch. You can't really see her. But she's right there. And then there's Ellie Belly. And there's Midnight. And then I think... Oh my goodness, let me get up. I think Copper's in the floor. Oh, no. Oh, no. Okay, camera picks up the stain, though, right there. Where is Copper? He's usually on in that area. Oh, there he is. He's on the little stand. Anyway, there's the family, and then Matson and her friends in the room.